Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greeting of peace to all attendees in Las Vegas, Nevada. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations to the honorees, majesties, excellencies, and honorables sa aming 300,000 na Pilipinos na sa Nevada. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo at binigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataon na makapagsalita even through video call. At sa aming kapatid na si Sister Maria Torres Mastura, Queen of Maharlika, Philippines, ay maraming salamat po sa inyo at asahan namin na dadalo kayo sa aming Royal Summit this coming October 5. Kasama na yung mga kasamaan dyan sa Nevada. Kami po, ang resulta nitong Maguindano ay handang makipag sabotan sa inyo sa darating na panahon. Kaya po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po. Pasalamat.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most beneficent, gracious, and merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Peace be with all of us. Foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to give you a short briefing regarding the existence of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, the island of Maguindanao, the southern part of Manila. I am Dato' Muammar Mastura, the elder brother of the reigning Sultan of Zulkarnain Mastura Kudarat VI, and the brother of the late 25th Sultan Abdulaziz Salim Mastura Kudarat V, and the son of the late Sultan Abdulaziz Dato' Yuan Mastura Kudarat IV. The Sultanate of Maguindanao is an Islamic monarchy that until now still exists in de jure form and recognized throughout the world. It was established in 1515, which Sharif Kamunsuan, the first nobleman, arrived in the island of Mindanao for more than 300 years. Spain attempted to conquer, colonize, and Christianize this Islamic kingdom, but failed and eventually retreated. This Islamic monarchy, as proof of its international de jure political status and recognition, had entered into treaties with other countries such as Spain, China, France, Holland, to name a few. Is the greatest political expansion between the 17th and the 18th century during the reign of our grandfather, popularly known as the unconquerable Sultan Dipatuan Kudarat, whose influence almost covered the entire island of Mindanao. Unfortunately, the United States defeated Spain in the War of 1898 in the Battle of Manila Bay. Spain secretly included the Sultanate of Maguindanao and Sulu as part of the Philippine Islands when it was sold to the United States of America for $20 million under the Article 3 of the December 10, 1898 Treaty of Paris, which became the legal basis of the United States of America to claim ownership of the Sultanate of Maguindanao and Sulu, not knowing that Spain did not have sovereignty over the two Islamic kingdoms by right of conquest. Finally, these two Islamic monarchies were included as a part of the Philippine Islands when the United States of America's sovereignty over it was transferred to the Filipinos to be the national territory of the Philippine Republic when it was granted independence on July 4, 1946 which was strongly opposed by the reigning sultans and datos. They were never wanted to be a part of the Philippines, but shall prefer to remain as constitutional sultanate or permanent of the permanent territory under the American flag. Lastly, my congratulations to the participants, facilitators, and to our sister, Queen Maria Torres Mastura, for the success of this year summit. Thank you, and God bless us all. Wassalam.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Good day to all majesty of We Care Humanity of Flamingo Hotel, Las Vegas, Nevada, United States of America. It's my pleasure to giving me this opportunity with respect to all majesty to introduce myself. I am Dr. Jordan Sinsua, Dr. Dikay III of Kabuntalan, Maguindanao, and Boyan, and Chairman of Royal Coordinative Advisory Council of 3 royal houses of the executive staff of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Mandanawi, Darussalam, Bandar Ingrid, Cotabato, and Board of Directors of Sultanate of Maguindanao. Our stand, whatever words had been said by Crown Prince Dato Mama Mastura, we will support him fully and all my royal cabinet of Dato Dikay III. Once again to all, Majesty and Flamingo Hotel Royal Summit, I can mention you everyone because time is short. All men and women, this Royal Summit in the Nevada, United States of America, this year, 2024, month of August, day of 14. Congratulations. And behalf of our Sultanate of Maguindanao, Mandanawi, Darussalam, Bandar Ingrid, Cotabato, His Royal Majesty.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi jami'an wa barakatuh. In behalf of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Mandanawi, Darussalam, I am Raja Muda Dato Abdul Hamid Ingkung from the Royal House of Sogodaboyan Sok Sargent area, composed of 3 provinces, South Cotabato, General Santos City, and Sarangani Province, in one of the major principalities of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Mandanawi, Darussalam. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to convey our congratulate to our Queen Maria Torres Mastura, who is now celebrating in the WCH Summit in Las Vegas, Nevada. Maria, Queen Mastura, please continue started program because it is helping a lot of welfare of so many organizations and royalties. Thank you very much and long life. Again, congratulations and wassalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My greetings of peace to everyone. I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to the dignitaries, diplomats, men and women of the year on this very significant event. My name is Princess Feb Lauban Mastura Matalang, the Royal Princess of the Sultanate of Maguindanao and the Deputy President of the SKDOP Royal Ladies of Maguindanao. Especially to our dear sister, Her Royal Highness Queen Mariam Leonor Torres Mastura, the Queen of Maharlika and Luzon, Tagalog. Again, congratulations and see you soon, sister. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Princess Jasma Mastura Karam, the Rajabay of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Philippines. I'm extending my congratulations to all of you there, each and every one of you there, especially the dignitaries, diplomats, and men and women of the year. Congratulations to all of you. My best salam to our Queen, Her Royal Highness Queen Mariam Leonora Torres Mastura, the Queen of Maharlika and the Queen of Luzon and Tagalog. Congratulations. I miss you. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello to everyone. I'm Princess Harjida Mastura Karong, Bailado of Maguindanao, Sultanate of Maguindanao. I'm excited to see all the Filipinos who are participated in the WCX Royal Summit in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm happy to know all of the majesties, honorees, excellencies, and men and women of the year. Congratulations to all of you.
Auzu billahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. With respect to introduce myself to all you there in Flamingo Hotel, Las Vegas, Nevada, United States of America, We Care Humanity Summit. To all majesty, I am Dato Jerry Obregon, Saubial, Calamansig, Maguindanao. Message from the Sultanate sa Maguindanao, from the 26th Sultan sa Maguindanao, Order of the 6th Sultan Abdulaziz Sulkarnin Mastura, from the Royal Ladies, Vice and Datos, Queen Maria Leonor Torres Mastura, Bay Mumpung sa Maguindanao. You are a compassionate person with living
On August 15, 2025, Amor Torres, Princess of Calabarzon, and Maya Mumpong sa Mindanao. Greetings from Dato Alandoni Janalan, Amiro sa Siro Pasimugay, Maguindanao. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I take a great proud joy and honor in behalf of our Sultanate of Maguindanao, His Majesty Sultan Abdulaziz Zulkarnain Mastura VI, the 26th Sultan of Maguindanao, congratulating the WCH World Summit at Las Vegas, Nevada, together with his
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peaceful greetings to all, particularly the distinguished attendees of the Royal Summit in Las Vegas. Congratulations, honorees, and esteemed majesty, excellence, and honorables. On behalf of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, we extend a warm greetings to all the 300 Filipinos in Nevada.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Marisadi Samal, Royal Ladies of Maguindanao, and SPDOP Board of Directors. Hello, Queen Maria. Congratulations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Greetings to all. I am Engineer Putri Miriam T. Dimaling, Putri sa Barwin sa Maguindanao, SKDUP Board of Director. I extend my warm greetings to all majesties, excellencies, honorees, men and women of the year, Filipino in Nevada attendees. Thank you, Queen Mariam Torres Mastura, the Queen of Maharlika and Luzon and Tagalog, for her effort.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rajamuda Dato Gibara, Kapitan Laut. Good evening, everybody. Have a nice day to all majesty. We care Community Royal Summit in Flamingo Hotel Las Vegas, Nevada, United States of America. Men and Women of the Year. I cannot
I am Dato Yambanan El Asim Arhat, the current spokesman of the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Mandanawi Darussalam, and a member of the Cabinet of His Majesty, as Dato Mopong sa Cotabato, Maguindanao, enthroned last May 9, 2009, here in Cotabato City, Philippines. At the same time, I was designated by His Majesty Sultan Abdulaziz Dato Sultan Mastura Kudarat VI as his executive secretary.